Hey guys, it's me once again. Today, first of all, I'll talk you about the importance of choosing the right reference for your illustration. Some general advices could sound obvious, but never mind, they still have their importance. So, let's imagine we need to draw a cat standing straight on the four of its legs. The first thing to do is to decide which kind of the cat race references we'll use, so as not to get confused about proportions. Maybe you're the lucky one, and you need to draw a cat just of the same kind as your friend's loved pet is. Or perhaps there is a place in your town where there are a lot of plenty street cats. Who knows? Then your task will become easier, because you can make some photos and use them as reference, such as these ones I've taken a while ago. Another option is to use your favorite image browser. It will be quicker, but also you should take into account that the photos you will find will have an owner, so be cautious with the reference you are using and the way you use it in your drawing. The last option you can use, besides it could sound outdated, are the books. You've got plenty of them, some on vet and care niches and others about comparative anatomy. So, choose your favorite option and go ahead. Look specifically for the photos where the feline has similar position to the one you are thinking about, and if some of its features, head or ears for example, don't match as your idea, just search for another image with the detail you'd like to change.